Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke sangma hene kesni ulahiar ban Jurip iki katu katne ki projek ki barang shna hanu Shillong. Hagni ke Jurip Menteri Rangba Kejela ulalet jingo ya ke new secretariat complex ke Unity Mall ke sports complex ke badan ha Sauli bat kiwei ki Jingpyntrei ki barang yat shakamat hanu Shillong haringkat ke jingedon lang u chief secretary u commissioner and secretary katanat Jingpyntrei sor uhe Ophisar sorkar bat ki nong mi khmat jongkit Jingpyntrei kam. Kani ke Jurip Menteri Rangba Kejela ulapan pau bagi projek ki barang Jingpyntrei hanu Shillong ki bu ye ki nong rim na kabenta kalawei jong Kejela Meghalaya. Ula kedo baka jingbei tingka hakani ki kompleks kan yarap ikilat kamai ki kamele kai bat kiwei kilat.
So there's a meeting area, there is everything, support staff, and there is a full lounge here, and more staff will sit here. This we make as the cabinet. So here is the cabinet room with 50 seater. So you can just walk into the cabinet room, and again there is all these waiting areas. So above this also there is one. This wing of the bar here is one of the better rooms. So it is 320 square feet, and this is the support staff. So now this is how they do. So their main chamber is the 320, it becomes 450 square feet, 470. And they have their seating here, they have toilet, pantry, and a lounge. Yeah, correct. So then you and pantry are there in every department. So this is the kind of open floor plan. Yeah. A lot of lighting. Grass will be there, right? Yeah, this is how the lighting should be. And air should be what is centralized. So we have completely centralized air conditioning, but all will have windows which can do. So this ring one is including basement 6 floors. Yes, right? So in that 4 floors are done. Casting floor. Ring 2 is 5 floors. 6 floors. Only 6 floors. That. Yes. Huh? Yes. You can become like a floor also.
Yes.
For ceiling for us and floor for the top.
Yes.
It is wonderful. And if you remember, that is the main lobby.
Actually, sir, there are steps between R1 and R2, so people will use the steps, and that is actually
Huge. Of course. Here it will be a top, here it will be. What is this? Unity Ball. This is the Unity. This also, because we had money, we put extra money, good that we are making bigger than what we can. So again, you know, it's huge. Huge. So इसमें तो हम यहाँ पे लग रहा है छोटा. Ground floor plan. March, but PM is coming to inaugurate.
So this AB will complete by.
Because PM is coming to inaugurate the games. So that's going to be in February.
Also the road section also we have not get the drawings and some of the blocks are still there pending. The finishing items are there pending with the yet to receive.
They are saying that some of the drawings they did not get.
From the road also they have.
No, that they will get, but can you finish by February is what sir is asking.
If we get all the drawings, we will put our full effort. But unless we get all the drawings, we cannot commit for that.
Ada bên rạng photo đầm nè đấy.
No need to give them. Can we? Yes, absolutely. Amazing. No, because minister has already told us that they have cancelled the 150 crore project for anybody. They're not going to do it. So if they're not going to do that 150 crore, why should we give them 10 acres?
Yeah, even 5 acres is too much.
Too much.
We can give them 2 acres, no?
We don't need to give them anything because they're not going to give anything. They said they're going to give 30 crores.
और भी बच
They're going to give 20 crores or 30 crores max, they said. And then we have to add everything on our own. They will just chip in. So what's the use? 20-30 crores. Why this land value is 20-30 crores? Why should we give this to them?
This land value is much more than that.
Cancel it.
The
No
best
problem.
is
Our agreement was for 180 crore multi-purpose stadium for all these kind of things we're talking about. That's not happening. So there's no need to give them land, right?
so then so if you see that 10th one, yeah, that back. August it will come.
Oh, it's already arrived in India.
Port clearance हो गया.
इसको बस वहाँ पे fit करना.
No, when will we inaugurate this?
Sir, December.
This December.
Yes, sir.
This December.
So that is the full aquatics complex. Right. So aquatics, if you see, there are 3, sir. So the big one is the main pool. The smaller one is the diving pool, and this side one is the practice pool.
Oh, that where the JCB is the main pool.
Yes,
That's a 50-meter pool.
That's the
Olympics.
Yeah. So this is tennis, and this is the hostel. See, hostel up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going. Tura, unfortunately, it's only half this. It's not even half this. Tura. That's the problem. Tura, we are running behind.
So December we are expecting this to be done, right?
Yes.